Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Ford F150 2.7 liter. This is the current code for the check engine light. Pending is the same thing. There you go. This is for the 12-volt battery. This is very common on all of the Ford model, the V6, V8, the turbo one too. You can see the check engine light is there. So right now the battery is bad. That's why it's throwing this code right here. ECM, PCM, relay, De-Energizer right there. So right now you can see I have my jumper hooked up right there where the battery is. Now I'm gonna start the car. There you go. So it's very weak when I start it, even with the jumper. Now I'm gonna show you when I take off the jumper and then trying to turn it back on, the battery's like completely dead. So I'm gonna take out the jumper, and then I'm gonna go back in there. I'm gonna turn off the car, turn it back on, and the engine won't start. So I took off my jumper already. You can see the car is still on. Now I'm gonna turn it off and then try to turn it back on. You're gonna see the car is completely dead. See that? Stepping on the brake, trying to turn it back on, nothing. So for this code, trying to start it, nothing. So for this code with a weak battery or a completely bad battery will throw you that De-Energizer code. So that's just an easy replacement, just a battery only. Now I'm gonna show you how to check the battery with the voltmeter. I have my voltmeter turned on right here, and then probe my black lead to negative, and then my red lead to the positive, and it's gonna give me a voltage. You can see this battery is bad, completely bad, 2.8 volts. There you go, bad battery. Now let me show you how bad this battery is when I trying to test it with my battery tester here, and probe it to the negative. It won't even turn on the tester. That's how bad the battery is. Now for the battery, this is the side bracket holder for the battery. This is a 8mm. I'm gonna take out the battery. Take it out. There you go. I'm gonna try to take this. Oh hell no, it's heavy with one hand. Now for this new battery, I bought it from O'Reilly. Put back my battery bracket already. I put back the little heat cover too. So I'm gonna put this back. Put my negative back. Come on. That's good. That's good. Yep, that's good. Now let me show you again on the voltmeter. I have it turned on to DC volt. My negative lead, my positive lead. Touch the positive. You can see it says 12.5 right there. That's a good battery. I'm gonna test it with the battery tester. You remember with my old battery, when I clamped it into the 2-terminal, it wouldn't even turn on. But look at that. There you go, 12-volt battery, code cranking amp. Now for this one, code cranking amp is 615. There you go, I have it at 615. You can go up or down, but this is 615. Press enter. There you go, you can see state of charging. That's the alternator, 100%. This is the state of health for the battery, 100%. So this is good. Now just go ahead and clear the check engine light. I'm gonna have key on, Now, just to show you the battery is good, I can turn it back on. Everything is good. There you go. Try it one more time with the new battery. Pretty good. There you go. Now I'm just gonna clear the check engine light. Oh, that check engine light went away because I took off the battery. But let's see if it's still there. So let's check out the code one more time. So PCM code menu, memory, it's still here. It's still here. So I'm just gonna clear it. It says not current. Let's see, pending. Pending, it's gone. So I'm just gonna clear the check engine light. Now for this one's pretty easy. When the battery is low voltage or it's going bad or it's completely dead, it would throw this code a lot. Very common on most of the Ford. So I'm gonna turn it off, turn it back on. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'm out. Peace.